Hi everybody, welcome to Lucas World again. Okay, last time we talked about 3 things to use in PowerPoint. Okay, so let's click on the PowerPoint. Okay, and this. Okay, so last time I didn't save those other things, so I'm not gonna make it back again. Okay, so here's home. Okay. So today we're going to still using insert. And you can see you have 2 icons called get add-ins or my add-ins. And if you make it smaller, then my add-ins and get add-ins will be here. But when you pull it out, well, open that. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to use these 2. Okay, so first click on the get add-ins. Here I have lots of things. Okay, lots of things. Okay. So, like, I'll add slice timer. Continue. Here we go. This is the slice timer. The timer that I give you in the dinosaur class. Like I 1 minute. I'll give 5 seconds. Save. Okay. Then let's try. Then click 1 here. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. And what is that again? Click again. Okay. That's alright. But you can put it in the animations. Okay. So let's delete this first. We learned 1. Okay, in my end. Slice timer. Go. Okay. So we finished learning 1. Okay. And today we're going to learn audio. To add some recording to your PowerPoint. Okay. So you have 3 icons. Like how to browser. That's amazing. These are Chinese. They always make them so. But out of a file. Okay. Not so many files. Okay. So no cats. But it's better to record. Like I just record that. Click this and record. I'll just record, okay? Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can everybody hear me? Okay, so I ask a question. Okay. So let you hear my recording. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can everybody hear me? Okay, so that's it. So we delete it. But your auto can make the animations. Okay. Okay. So let's keep going. What about video? Let's check. Photos. Okay. I'll choose 1. This. Pull it here. Oh, loading. Loading. Right, there we go. Okay. It's just dancing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Okay.
7, 8, 9.
So let's take a look at camping animations. Can. Okay. So let's choose one And measure pain. No. Oh. Delete this. Okay, so let's put in and press click. Oh, came in again.
1, 2, 3, 4,
My
5,
dad's
6,
later.
7, 8. Left, right,
Okay,
go.
so this is a funny video. Okay, so next time if I have time, I'll let you watch. Okay. Okay. So let's delete this first. Okay. So we learned 3 now. Okay. So if you still want to take a look at others, you can take a look. So I'm not going to give you it. Okay. So let's press slideshow. And if you add something in here, play from start. Okay. Okay. Animation. Use. Okay. This is also some of the animations. Okay. When you click these some of the animations that you want to change like random bars, it should be like this, then it'll be like this, okay, or like this, so lots of things, so you can try it also, okay. Well, this side I don't really use, okay. Draw, so you click one, it doesn't really do, because I tried before, it doesn't really do. Okay, so if you want to erase it, back to drawing, like, maybe like dinosaur, or dinosaur. Okay, so not drawing it perfectly, because first drawing like, yeah, like computers, dinosaur, team, dinosaur mouth, and more. Hi, that's good. Okay, so today we learned how to add-ins, how to use add-ins, add auto and video, and this transitions, and some drawings. Okay. So if you like this video, give a like and share with me how you did in your PowerPoint. Tell me in the comment below. So have a nice day. Bye bye.